So today we will be unboxing some Bang & Olufsen exclusive speakers. So Bang & Olufsen is a Danish brand, so it's almost like 100 years old. They considered among the like flagship premium segment speakers and like headphones they manufacture. So like their products been used in Audi, Aston Martin for their like car audio systems. So it's pretty hard to get these things in India. So we finally managed to get some of the units. So one by one we'll be unboxing and little bit of sound demo will be playing. So starting with this P2 portable speaker. Okay. So to save time we have this doesn't have any buttons. It's a button. So let's play this thing and see the sound quality of this thing. Let's move to the next one. Let's keep it aside. This is A1. The cords are there and plate. This is the product. Let's connect this thing. Let's go to the next one. Let's put it aside. This is a bigger version, P6. Let's turn it on this thing on. Let's pair it and play a different song. Play the latest hit. So that's all for today, and these items are live in website. You can make your purchase because very limited quantity of these things are available in stock. Thank you.